Uba MAYRALBORN's aim MLA haka khat artarik naiwing ulalong ukong san ban PLIE patba ekalumpung 4th District Level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program arhajar arpusan balai sengi haparish hall NONGPOH. Yakani ka program lapelong bat penyat daki Office Deputy Commissioner bat District Sports ban ailat ki Samla nakaleng ka Themri Boy bani kenduk lang ban seimadan ya lagi sap ki pong jinga kop babunjat ki bakenthep ya ka shat ka kemen karwai ka siau kaput ka tem bat hagi jinga kop ya le kai babunjat. Kumju ru ban wanra ya kemensim sngau shipara bat kemensim idri. Lingba kini kijinga kop ki Samla ki lak ban penjanai ban poisya ka thong ban yakun ha kijinga kop state, national but international ha ki snem ban wan. Dangshan la pelong ya kijinga kenduk lang ki Samla ki block level ba la UI ba ki lalong ki ba seiso shikat day e ban penroi bat kentiu ki Samla ki bapun ki liang. Hakini ke Lumpung PLIE la pencingan du Abilash Baranwal DC uba Orville Masar Additional SP ke Officer na Education Department bat na kiwei pat kitanak jong Khuborjylla ke bedon na Themri Boy. Haka jingkeren uba MAYRALBORN ula penpau ke jingkemen ban PLIE ke ni ke Lumpung haka ba ki Samla ken sei la ki sap ki pong ban kiu syakliar jong ke jingjob pat kanam. Ulai ro iki Samla ke Themri Boy bagi lapau bah ki babun ki sports jong ke ni ke juk. Ki Samla ka Themri Boy Kim Long Shu Shadin Try Henry ki layalam na khmat aki sports babunjat ulaong. Ula kentui ki ban sei borba ban penjanai la di habaro kiliang. Kum kejing penclur uba MAYRALBORN ula kular ban ai busket da kepisa ya barok ki kenthe ba cendrang ki ba poi syakathong overall champion sa kejing le kai beper habakut kini ke Lumpung. Ula kitbok ki kini ki Samla ban poi syakathong bakinsai na kini ke Lumpung le kemen.
In the last few weeks or this morning or last month, many of you will forget, tend to forget. We cannot in costume. Most of the time we don't remember. And most of the time we felt that whatever we dreamt, it will be the opposite. It will happen. Kadang-kadang NEHU. Apa costume? Kalau nggak kumpul, kadang-kadang NEHU. It depends on each and every one of us whether you believe it or not, that it is like that. But to me personally, it is not bad to be dream. It is not bad to have a good dream. It is a costume, but it is costume belongs to siya. It belongs to Kumpong dengan titik tree of snow. And in my experience, whatever I dreamt, whatever I imagine, it comes true. The question is that how many of you this morning, when you come for the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, when you will go back from here, you will take back something, good memories, good thought, good example, good lesson that you have dreamt yang waktu dalam costume kan saja hari ini. The famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963, when he talked about the dream, it became a reality. When he says, I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where I will not be judged by the color of the skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. he has a dream that all his fellow citizens in America, especially people who have a dark skin, have been deprived with various facilities and privileges. But due to the effort by this person led from the front, that the dream has been fulfilled. The costume will keep along. Abang ini mentang hidup yang berdiri di dalam apa yang mereka. There is time that we thought that I came from a far-flung villages. I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to speak English. Who can imagine the Balari, Rani? They don't talk much. You can perform really well. You don't know how to. Nga namun dari kong ani sa din wala lang Hindi nila require. Kaya siya nga. Kaya daw, hindi man hostil. Bagilong hindi man hostil. Bagilong. It's a point of government. Nama kata, the student, the participant, the whatever see, this is a example, in which each and every one of us we should follow. And as a mark of encouragement to each and every one of you, I am giving 20,000 support of them after this program. This is the beginning to encourage. It is not that for everyone who will perform on the stage and sing, you have to compare. They have really did very well. They performed very well. And I will encourage Bakobi that in this 3 days program that we are going to participate, if I don't apply for the best performer, do something like that. There is both male and female too. Okay. Then for the best performer, for the male and female as well, I'm going to give 20,000 at the end of this program, after 3 days. This is an encouragement, so that you won't stop fighting. I know all of you would get the winner will be only one. Then they come to the form. There should be a goal. The 2 performers, they already performed in the past. They have reached to a certain height. Now they deserve to get something.
The 4th district level Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program here at St. Paul's Parish, NONGPOH. Earlier known as the Meghalaya Youth Exchange Program, it was started at the state level during 2014, and the district level was introduced only in 2019. Now at the present year, it has been renamed as the Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program. So I'm thoroughly excited of this edition of the district level to begin. So we have we have completed the engagement level programs at all 5 blocks of Meghalaya district, where altogether more than 1,000 youths have had the opportunity to participate at this level, at this edition of the block levels competition. So 68 participants and 2 officials has been selected to represent the blocks, and they are here today. So altogether 350 participants, including officials, are part and parcel of this event today. Interesting, these are at the blocks we have witnessed incredible participation, display of talent and skills, showcasing global traditions and innovation, etc. A platform that has not only prepared them to be here, but with minute coaching and guidance by our kind judges in order to exhibit better at this district level. This time, at this level again, sir, one act, play, drama, and a tug of war outdoor activity has been included. I believe through this platform at this district level, it will not only prepare them for the upcoming state level, but motivate the youth of our district in the pursuit of a bright and promising future, aspire and broaden their knowledge and experiences to a huge extent.
That's the entire objective of this performance also, ultimately, that if this performance has inspired you, then basically the entire objective of CM Youth Engagement Program is served. So I request everyone to kindly give a big round of applause for Mr. and our honorable MLA as well. That, I mean, it's so, I mean, it fills us with so much of pride when we see youth who may not have had that kind of exposure, yet making it big not just on the state levels, but regional level, country level, as well as international level. And that's the entire objective of CM Youth Engagement Program. To allow expression of the talents, the artistic talent, the sports talent, the literary talents that our youth across the state, but since we are in employee across the district, basically that expression comes forward, and to have a multi-level competition system so that the best talents are selected and nurtured, and the name that Shillong has earned for years itself, which is rock capital of the country. That name gets its endurance, that name is justified, and the talents also get an opportunity to show themselves and shine bright across the country and the global stage. Apart from that, it's to the credit of Honorable CM Sir that he has thought of such a program in which these kind of competitions are not being organized only at the state level, but rather at the block level, so that every talent across the nook and corner of the entire state gets an opportunity to shine equally bright as a talent that stays somewhere in the heart of the state or in the center of Shillong.
Samla, bakın ben yol Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
panic. We'll teach you how